In this video, I am explaining the lesson 2 Geography class 9th, the physical feature of India. In this lesson, we are talking about the tectonic plate, but without getting the previous class knowledge, that means the inside our earth, it will not clear the tectonic plate theory. So first I recall the memory of inside our earth. Natural environment consists of 4 realms of the earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere is related to land, atmosphere to air, hydrosphere to water and biosphere to life, form like plants and animals. The ecological balance depends on the ideal condition of natural existence where each realms support the other. Any disturbance in this condition may endanger all kinds of life. Now, we are talking about the interior of the earth. We can easily observe and understand the exterior to the earth, but it is practically impossible to study the earth interior in a similar way. The deepest mine of the earth is in South Africa, which is only 4 kilometers deep. It is negligible as compared to the radius of the earth, that is, distance from the crust to the center of the earth, which is about 6,000 kilometers. Information about internal structure of the earth has been obtained by man on the basis of indirect evidence. Besides volcanoes and earthquake, study has been conducted on the basis of evidence provided by methods. According to earth has been divided into 3 main layers: crust or surface, mantle or middle layer, metallic core or the barysphere. We easily can see the picture given in this video. That is a clear picture of the structure of the earth interior. You can easily observe the which type of structure we can say in this interior. Now, we are talking about the second, that is magma and the lava, or you can say the sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks or metamorphic rocks. And I give the cycle, rock types and their formation, how it form. So you go through the chart given also in this video, and so it is need that you have to recall your memory from the previous class. You all read it in class 7th. Now we are talking the innermost part of the earth in the form of metallic core behave like solid due to the density and is in liquid state due to high temperature. All you know, when the high temperature, the metal melt. So which we got in the form of the liquid. These are due to the high temperature of the earth core. Every mineral has a typical chemical composition. We extract metal and other elements from them. Minerals are two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. On the basis of their composition, rock are three types, igneous, sedimentary and other elements from them. Minerals are two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. On the basis of their composition, rock are three types, igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. Rocks get converted from one type to another, which is known as rock cycle. This is by the faulting, weathering, transportation, deposition, heating, pressure, chemical action, melting, cooling and so on. So, I think you are clear about some idea of earth inside of the